Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by creating a semantic header element with class equals site header and height 60px. Add a logo link on the left and set alt text for accessibility. Insert a nav element with class equals site nav and role equals navigation for screen readers. Inside nav, create an unordered list of links and use clear link text. Add a button with class equals menu toggle and area expanded equals false to control the mobile menu. Keep HTML concise and organized for easy styling and scripting. Apply base CSS by setting. Site header to display, flex for horizontal layout and align items, center. Use justify content, space between to separate logo and controls. Set. Site header height to 60px and font size to 16px for consistent sizing. Constrain content width with max width, 1200px and center using margin, 0 auto and padding, 16px. Style. Site nav ul with display, flex and gap, 24px for even spacing. Create a media query at max width, 768px to switch to mobile layout and hide the inline menu. Inside that query, set. Site nav to position, absolute with top, 60px and right, 0 for drop-down alignment. Show the menu toggle button and style it as a 40px square with accessible focus outlines. Add transition, transform 0, 3s and opacity 0, 2s 2. Site nav for smooth reveals. Use a small Java script listener to toggle class equals open and area expanded between true and false on the button. Ensure touch targets are at least 44px for
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.